Assalamualaikum warahmatullah, and a very good day to all the students. So today I would like to explain a little bit on the arrangement for the subject, which is BMM 3611 Manufacturing Process Lab for semester 2, session 2, 2021 and 2022. So as for the lecturers and technical staff, there will be 5 lecturers as well as technical staff, and if and different section have their own lecturers as well as technical staff. As for me, I'm Dr. Siti Rabiatul Aisyah binti Idris, will be covered for section 4 with technical staff is Puan Nur Saadah binti Nur Azmi. And for this subject, there will be 5 lab sessions, which include welding, CNC machine, plastic injection molding, casting, and sheet metal. Each lab, 2 weeks will be given to you to do the experiment as well as to do the lab report. And this lab report link, you may submit it. The submission link for each lab, you may find it in Kalam, and they will be available on depending on the lab itself. So please arrange your lab accordingly. And some notes for the students throughout the semester. Attendance is compulsory and will be monitored. So please make sure that whenever you do the lab, make sure that you key in the attendance. Number 2, safety procedures shall be followed at all times during laboratory works. Like you need to wear safety shoes and follow other SOPs and so on, which being mentioned by the technical staff. Number 3, every group will be divided into smaller groups with a maximum capacity of 5 person in a group. Please refer to your own section for the group allocation. All the group allocation may be found in Kalam as well. And number 4, if the work is not completed, students must discuss it with the respective lab technical staff to find a way to finish it. And work as a team, manage your group is part of your training as well. And number 6, you need to have the lab book module, which this lab module you may get it from UMP publisher, or I think you can get it from Shopee. So get it before you enter the lab, because all the data that you get from the lab, you need to key in the lab sheet inside that module. For the lab report, should be submitted to the section lecturers with the link in Kalam. You may find it in Kalam. A week or 2 weeks after laboratory works has been completed. There are short and long reports. Details of these types of report will be explained by lecturer. The allocation of report is as follows. Well, actually, details of the report, you may find it in module BMM3611 module. So, since we have 5 labs, so you are going to have 5 lab reports with only 1 long report, and the rest will be short reports. For short reports, you just need to answer the question in the module, and you need to do it using your handwriting and scan in PDF and then submit it through Kalam, using link in Kalam. And meanwhile, for long report, you need to prepare a proper report which includes introduction, methodology, experimental methods or methodology, results discussion, conclusion, as well as the references used for to prepare that report. And maximum pages for long report is 5, including cover page and references. Long report should be accurate and precise using your own words. You have to use your own handwriting instead of typing. All sketches, drawings, and pictures should be properly captioned and labeled for dimension. And most importantly, they should be explained. So do not only put the sketches, drawings, figures, or tables without explaining those things. So I think that will be all from me. Anything related to the lab, you may also refer to the subject coordinator, which is Dr. Asno, or you may also refer to your respective lecturers according to the lab section. Okay, with that, thank you very much for your kind attention and time, and have fun during throughout this semester. Okay, bye.